Hi and welcome back to Living Your Best Life 101, where you'll find exercises, workouts and recipes for optimal health and well-being. If it's your first time here and you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you'd like to see more from me, then there will be a link in the description below this video to my website where you can check out all of my video content and much more. In this 13 minutes or so yoga strength HIIT workout, the exercises are going to get longer in each of the progressive workouts. There are 3 in this series, and each time the exercises will get a little bit longer to make it that little bit more progressive and overloading the muscles so that we keep getting those fitness gains. This no equipment yoga strength HIIT session or workout contains exercises for the core, the back, the quads and the glutes, and there's even work for the chest, shoulders and arms as well. So it's a great workout that you can do at home or on the move if you're a little bit short on time, but you want to get in a bit of a workout that's going to work a bit of strength and a bit of cardio as well, using body weight yoga exercises that are going to help to improve your core stability as well as your strength, and they're going to help you to burn fat as well. So let's get into it right away, shall we? We're going to start with a little warm-up. We're going to do some mobility exercises and other exercises just to get the body warm before we get into the main part of the workout. So let's get to it. So we're just going to start with a little side squat, going to the side and back to the center. Alternate sides, nice and gently. Nothing too crazy. Okay, take it into a curl now with the legs, row with the arms. Now these yoga strength HIIT workouts are really going to help you to increase feelings of wellness and well-being. Relax there. Take it into a little backward lunge. We can take the arms out in front in a front raise, or we can take them out in a little lateral raise. Alternate sides with the leg. Relax there. Okay, just kick with the legs, reach with the opposite hand. These exercises are also going to help you to burn fat, increase muscle tone, improve as well your metabolism, so it's win-win really. Rotate the hips, little clockwise hip rotation and the other direction as well. Okay, relax. We're just going to bend the knees, circle with the arms, a little squat and circle with the arms. Now bring them forwards, forwards. And relax there. Reach it up with the left hand, stretch over to the right. And the other side as well. Remembering as well, when we're working these core muscle, we're really going to be just rotating the spine as well. We're really going to be helping to work on correct posture as well, working those core and back muscles. Okay, relax there. Left ear goes to left shoulder. Just push down with the right hand. Relax. Opposite side, right ear, right shoulder, left hand, push it down. Relax the head, chin onto the chest, push the hands forward. And relax there, and off we go. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit more difficult now. We're going to do the 30 seconds of hard work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. So we start with feet together, knees together, sitting down into that chair squat or chair pose. Lift the hands, just hold that position, core engaged, chest up, weight is in our heels. Hold that position, don't forget to breathe. That's good. And relax. Okay, deep breaths. Give everything a little shake. We go down onto the mat. We've got press ups with our arms next to our sides, elbows going to the side, not to the side here. On our knees, easier version, lift the feet, here. Let's go. This is our easy version. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. We want to work a bit harder onto our feet. Breathe out. Breathe in. We want to work a little bit easier, bring the knees closer to the body. A little bit more of a shallow movement. You choose your level. And relax, sit back. Lift the arms up. Our next exercise is a plank here into a downward dog. That's our harder version. We can of course have a plank here on our knees into child's pose. You choose, but let's go. It's this one here, or it's the full plank into downward dog. You choose. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Keep the core engaged. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And relax. Sit back. Lift up. Give those arms a rest. Okay, next up we have, from a plank, we're going three-legged dog. So we start with downward dog position. Left leg up, we bring the knee to the nose, return the leg lower. Repeat on the right. Up, knee to nose, return and down. Left leg, lift, knee to nose, up and down. Don't forget to breathe. Keep that core engaged. Last time, relax. Sit back. Lift up, open the chest. Final exercise of the first round. Easy version. In our plank position, we walk through one side and the other. Let's go. That's our easy version. Off we go. Harder version, if we want to work harder, is jumping through. You choose what you can manage. Walking through is just as hard. If you think this is enough for you, it's going to be working those shoulders, those back muscles, and the core. Relax. Sit back. Lift the chest up. Deep breaths in. Okay, let's take it back up. We're going to do one more round of those 5 exercises. We've got that chair squat to begin with. Find that position. If we want to work a little bit harder, we can squat up. Breathe in and out. Keep the weight in the heels. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep that chest up high. Core engaged. Squeeze the bottom as we lift. Breathe in and out. Remember, you can stay here. That's still working hard, but keep squatting, keep moving if you can. Breathe out. 5 seconds left. Breathe in and out. In and out. Relax. Well done. We're down for those press-ups. Remember, on the knees, the closer the knees are to the hips, the easier it will be. Easiest version here. Harder, knees go further back. Hardest of all, on the feet. Let's go. Breathe in. Keep the hips high, don't let them drop too much. Breathe in and out. In on the way down, out on the way up. 15 seconds to go. Breathe in and out. If this feels too hard, make it easier. Keep those elbows in tight to the side though. Really working those triceps. And relax. Well done. Sit back. Shake the arms. We're going. Easy version. Here. to child's pose, or plank, downward dog. Let's go. Remember, core engaged. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in to plank, out to downward dog. Into plank, out to downward dog. Or here, in and out. In and out. Last few seconds. Breathe in and relax. Sit back, sit up, recover. Deep breaths. Downward dog position. We start with that three-legged dog. Lift the left leg, knee to nose, out and down. Right leg up, knee to nose, up and down. Breathe in and out and lower. 10 seconds to go. Up, knee to nose, out and down. Keep going. Up, knee to nose, up and down. Relax. Sit up again. Give those shoulders a rest. Final exercise. We're going to do those walk or jump throughs. Plank position. We walk or we jump. Jump or walk. Let's go. Harder version here. Still hard, walking it through. Keep that bottom high. So it's left knee to the middle, then right knee to the middle. Left knee to the middle, then right knee to the middle. Keep going. And relax, well done. Deep breath, sit back. Okay, let's take it into a child's pose then. Just stretch it out, push the bottom back, push the hands forward. Stretching, relaxing now, cooling down. We're doing these very quickly as this is a shortened workout, but if you feel, just lift the head up, cow stretch, hollow the back, breathe in, chin on chest, arch the back, breathe out. If you feel tension, you can do these for a lot longer, later on today or even right now, or tomorrow. Okay, just open the shoulders, bring the hands behind the back, squeeze the shoulders back, shoulder blades together, squeeze the elbows together, open up the chest. Relax there, tricep stretch, left arm up and down. Keep the head up, arm next to the head. Yeah, you could even do a yoga stretch class on the days in between these workouts. If you're feeling any tension, change arms, which is normal after you work the muscles hard. Okay, relax. Take the left leg forward into a low lunge. Remember as well that these exercises are going to get longer. The durations are going to get longer with each of these workouts. Workout 2 will be a little bit longer, workout 3 a little bit longer still. Change sides, right leg comes forward. Lunge, push the hips down and forward. But yeah, you can take a bit more time with these stretches if you've got more time. Okay, roll onto the back. I'm going to cross that left foot over the right knee, pull it into the chest, stretch the glutes. Lovely stretch, this one. And change over, right foot crosses the left knee. Yeah, I'd recommend taking more time with these stretches, doing these stretches as often as you can. It's really good for relieving any tension and of course helping with flexibility. And relax there. Slowly bring yourself up, curling up, deep breath out and relax. Okay, I want to say well done. Thanks for joining me in this short workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give it a like, share it on your social media, drop a comment in the comments section below. If you'd like to see more from me, then there will be a link in the description below this video to my website where you can check out all of my video content and much more. Yeah, I hope to see you there real soon. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. If you would like to do a little bit more strength work, then you could check out this video here. Or if you'd like to do a little bit more beginner yoga and stretching, check out this video here. And I hope to see you real soon. Have a great day. Namaste and bye for now.